Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox low quality on mobile devices. Optimizing your settings can significantly improve your gaming experience, especially on older phones or weaker internet connections. This adjustment helps reduce lag, saving your battery life and mobile data usage. A smoother game means less frustration and more fun with your friends, keeping everything running efficiently. Once you are in any Roblox game, tap the small Roblox icon usually found in the top left corner of your screen. This action opens the main in-game menu. From there, you should see a Settings tab. Select it to continue. Look for the Graphics Quality option, which is often a slider. Make sure to drag this slider all the way down, setting it to the lowest manual quality for maximum performance gains. Beyond the game, your phone's own settings can help. If your device supports it, try reducing its native screen resolution to lighten the load. It is also crucial to close all other applications running in the background before you start playing, freeing up valuable memory. Consider disabling live wallpapers or any dynamic themes too, as these consume extra processing power. Keeping your operating system updated also contributes to overall stability and performance. Roblox itself offers a data saver mode within its main settings, which can significantly reduce network strain. Make sure this is enabled. Additionally, many mobile devices have a dedicated power saving or performance mode. Activating this can help by limiting background processes and sometimes lowering screen refresh rates, providing a smoother experience. Try using both the in-game data saver and your phone's performance mode together for the best results, seeing what works well for your specific device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.